Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the pattern and mold box so the cast will match dimensions. This is critical. Place the pattern in the bottom half of the box and pack fine sand mixed with 5% clay and 3% water tightly around it to capture details. Make sure to leave one clearance around the part for shakeout and vents. This reduces defects. Once done, level the sand and strike it flush. Then secure the cope when the surface is stable before moving to the next step. Now you assemble core, gating and venting so metal flows smoothly and solidifies correctly. Position cores using chaplets for alignment, then cut a 1/2 sprue and tapered runners to guide metal. Size risers about 10% of casting volume to feed shrinkage. Place vents from high points to the exterior to release gases. Make sure gates are filleted where they join the cavity to reduce turbulence. This preserves surface finish and prevents cold shuts. Finally, you handle pouring, cooling, and inspection to complete the primary cast. Preheat the mold to 200-400 degrees F so the metal won't chill and cause misruns. Then pour steadily to maintain laminar flow, matching fill time to the metal's pouring temperature. Let the casting cool until safe to shake out, then break the mold, remove sprues, and inspect for porosity or cold shuts. If you find gas porosity, make sure to increase venting and reduce moisture in sand next time as a troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.